What is a crypto swap? A crypto swap is an exchange of cryptocurrencies usually performed on dedicated swap platforms or decentralized exchanges, DX. Instead of selling a fiat currency for a crypto token, you can directly swap crypto tokens, which is especially useful to avoid KYC restrictions and extra fees associated with centralized crypto exchanges. Swapping tokens can occur on the same blockchain or across different blockchains, a feature offered by almost every decentralized crypto swap platform. It is an ideal way to rebalance your crypto holdings or enter decentralized finance, DeFi, where lending and borrowing can be transformative. Token swaps come in various types, but the most common categories are on-chain and off-chain swaps. Centralized exchanges often perform off-chain swaps within their own databases rather than on a public ledger, making them quicker and potentially cheaper but requiring trust in the centralized exchange. On-chain swaps, however, occur solely on the blockchain, enabling user-to-user transactions via smart contracts, as seen on DX platforms like Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Token swaps are increasingly popular, especially within the DeFi community, where portfolio diversification is a main use case. Investors can easily exchange tokens to distribute funds among multiple projects without exiting the crypto market. Yield farming, which involves exchanging tokens to participate in yield-generating activities on DeFi platforms, is another common application. Since some projects operate exclusively with certain crypto tokens, swapping tokens is also useful for accessing decentralized applications, dApps, and making NFT purchases. For instance, a token swap enables you to join a gaming platform that requires a specific cryptocurrency asset with ease. Thus, token swaps have become essential in the crypto ecosystem, allowing users to interact with a wide range of applications.